Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to see your subscription list on YouTube. So to do that, head over to your YouTube application. And once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to make sure you have just logged in into your account. Head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And here you can see if you have logged in into your account, and just right beside your profile there is an option of subscriptions. Tap on it and here you'll find the subscriptions or subscripted accounts that on your YouTube, and here tap on all. Here you will find all your subscriptions. Here you can filter it out from most relevant, new activity, and from A to Z. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.